The manufacturing industry stands on the cusp of a revolution, driven by innovations that challenge conventional norms. At the forefront is large-scale 3D printing, poised to redefine design, build, and manufacture. Imagine factories as agile hubs, producing customized products on demand, with minimal waste and unprecedented efficiency. This is the promise of the factory of the future, powered by the world's largest 3D printer. By enabling the creation of objects of unprecedented size and complexity, this giant printer opens doors to previously unimaginable possibilities. It empowers designers and engineers to think beyond conventional processes, ushering in an era of customized, on-demand manufacturing. The implications are far-reaching, impacting industries from aerospace to construction. The world's largest 3D printer is not just a machine, it's a statement of innovation and capability. Housed in a state-of-the-art facility, this engineering marvel occupies a space equivalent to multiple tennis courts. Its size allows for the creation of objects that push the boundaries of additive manufacturing. What sets this machine apart is its capacity to print with diverse materials, including wood dust. Imagine furniture, building components and artistic sculptures crafted from recycled wood waste. This capability positions large-scale 3D printing as a key driver of sustainable manufacturing. It paves the way for a circular economy where waste is minimized and resources are utilized responsibly. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword, it's a necessity. The world's largest 3D printer champions sustainable practices throughout its operational cycle. Its ability to utilize recycled materials, particularly wood dust, reduces reliance on virgin resources. Large-scale 3D printing offers a compelling alternative by enabling precise material deposition, minimizing waste. This focus on sustainable practices aligns with the growing global demand for environmentally responsible manufacturing solutions. Beyond material efficiency, the printer's design prioritizes energy optimization. This reduced energy consumption translates to lower operational costs and a smaller carbon footprint. The sheer scale of the world's largest 3D printer is awe-inspiring. Imagine printing objects almost the size of 40 standard containers, previously impossible to produce in one piece. This capability opens new frontiers in manufacturing, particularly in aerospace, marine and construction. The ability to print entire fuselage sections or wing spars could revolutionize aircraft manufacturing. Similarly, in the marine industry, the printer could create massive ship hulls or intricate propeller designs with precision and speed. This newfound freedom is poised to unlock a wave of innovation across industries. The potential applications of the world's largest 3D printer span a vast spectrum of industries. In construction, printing entire building components on site could revolutionize the industry. Imagine printing customized walls, floors, and even entire houses tailored to specific designs. The medical field stands to benefit immensely with personalized medical implants, prosthetics, and even artificial organs. The automotive industry could streamline the production of car bodies, engine blocks, and other critical parts. This could lead to lighter, more fuel-efficient vehicles manufactured with reduced lead times and lower environmental impact. The world's largest 3D printer is a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. As this technology matures, its impact will change the way we design, build, and manufacture. Its ability to create large, complex objects with minimal waste positions, it is a key driver of a more sustainable industrial future. Imagine factories set up anywhere in the world, closer to raw materials or end consumers. This distributed manufacturing model could reduce transportation costs, lead times, and the overall carbon footprint. The shift towards personalized manufacturing could disrupt traditional mass production models, leading to a more diverse and responsive manufacturing landscape.